Hi everyone, Namaste. I am Venkatesh Paritala. I am from Hyderabad. My title of the book is SAP Business Objects Installation and Configuration. I have the dream of becoming author. I found Author Freedom Hub, which is guided by Som Bathla. So initially I thought writing book is difficult. I took the Q3 challenge and I have attended the sessions conducted by Som Bathla, and with the help of our community team, I could able to launch my book successfully, and I have overcome the disbelief of becoming author. This book is related to installation and configuration related to SAP Business Objects technology software, how we need to install, and what are the configurations we need to do for this software. And it's a detailed step-by-step procedures. It has, as mentioned in the book. If you are into SAP Business Objects technology, please grab the book and do share the review. The link has been provided in the description. Thank you.